Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can configure Elasticsearch and Kibana. In the last video, you would have seen I've downloaded Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. Make sure you extract this under C tools folder. Extract all of this. Okay, and go to the bin folder. First, we'll see for Elasticsearch. Open the build folder. You can see elasticsearch.bat. Click here, enter CMD. This will open a command prompt with the administrator mode. Okay. So now just type E, you'll get elasticsearch.bat. Click on enter. So once you have done that, if you just add the localhost 9200, it should start giving this result. Okay. So once you have done with Elastic, go to Kibana, go to bin here, just type CMD. It will navigate you to the command prompt administrator mode. Just type K and Kibana.bat. It will try to open the Kibana. It will try to launch it. Once this launches, type localhost uh, colon 5601. Just let me share that. Now just type localhost 5601. It will navigate to the Kibana page. Here you can write all of your queries. Just type get cat indices. It will give you all the indices which is there. For Kibana, APM, agent configuration, Kibana task manager, etc. That's how we can configure Elastic. That's how we can configure Kibana. It is a really great tool for you to use. Hope you'd have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.